Welcome to Boral News. Ceasefire militant group killed 3 persons and seriously injuring 8 others. Three persons succumbed and 8 others hospitalized after being tortured by Dimasa National Liberation Army (DNLA) militant at its designated camp in Khasmaipur, Maibang. The deceased persons were identified as Ramsen Langthasa, 44, and Amal Goswami, 38, both civilian who died on Monday, and Apraj Langthasa, 20, recently recruit DNLA cadre who succumbed on Tuesday morning. According to sources, of those persons beaten up, 5 were recently recruited DNLA cadres who were beaten up by their own senior cadres, tying their hands and legs as they ran away the camp to leave the organization as they could not tolerate rules or policies in the camp. After they were caught, they were kept in a room and were beaten for about a week and were given food once in 2 days. Other 6 persons are civilian who are alleged of stealing parts of abandoned excavator in Langting area were picked up from their house at late night on Sunday night by pointing daggers at them and their families. Subsequently, above 25 villagers visited Langting police station to register complaint, but as its officer in charge was absent, the second OC refused to register any complaint. The villagers went to Maibang Khasmaipur DNLA designated camp, but were told that the persons they search for are not there. Seeing no hope, the villagers approached Maibang police station, and soon after the report, the officer in charge along with police battalion and CRPF rushed to the camp and recovered the 9 persons and 2 bodies. The injured persons and the bodies were initially brought in Maibang PHC but were later referred to Haflong Civil Hospital, of which 1 died on Tuesday morning while others are in critical condition. The seriously injured are Mondesh Langthasa, 34, Romesh Hagjar, 42, Raju Ardao, 18, Avinash Thausan, 18. These were civilians alleged of stealing abandoned excavator parts. 5 others were recruited during DNLA's ceasefire but fled to their respective village as they could not tolerate their burdens. Nairingdao Bathari, 19, Jamuna Singh Hasnu, 26, Jaiprojit Nunisa, 22, Depolal Dibragade, 20, all were recovered in unconscious condition by the security forces. Speaking to reporter here, additional SP Indranil Baruwa said that 5 persons of the ceasefire DNLA have been arrested in connection with the crime and are probing the incident. The arrested cadre were DNLA's Deputy Chairman Judichan Haflongbar alias America, General Secretary Pitamjit Judung alias Galao, Dafaljit Langthasa alias Dauraja, Nobojit Phonglo alias Nagahoja, Notunjoy Nunisa. All were present during laying down of arms at Khepre Bazaar on 13 November last.
যোৱাকালি প্ৰায় ৰাতিপুৱা 3:30মান বজাত DNLৰ 4টা কেডাৰ আৰু এজন বাহিৰা মানুহ কেম্পৰ পৰা বাহিৰত গৈ পেলাই লাংটিঙৰ গাঁৱৰ পৰা 6জন মানুহ উঠাই লৈ আহিছিল। তাৰপিছত সিহঁতক মাৰপিট কৰিলে। তাৰে 4জন গুৰুতৰভাৱে জখম হ'ল আৰু 2জন ঢুকালে। তাৰ বাহিৰে আমি যেতিয়া কেম্পত গৈছিলোঁ তাত দেখিছিলোঁ 5জনমান আৰু DNLA কেডাৰে সাৰেণ্ডাৰ কৰা, তেওঁলোক ইনজিয়ৰ্ড অৱস্থাত আছিল। তেওঁলোককো আমি ইনজুৰি দেখা পাই পেলাই হস্পিটেললৈ লৈ আহিলোঁ আৰু তাৰে এজন আপ্ৰাছ লাংথাছা বুলি তেওঁ আজি ঢুকাই থাকিলে। তেওঁলোকৰ মটিভটো এতিয়ালৈ গম পোৱা নাই, আমি ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন চলি আছে আমাৰ, আৰু সিহঁতক ৰিমাণ্ডত অনাৰ পিছত আমি গম পাম যে কি হৈছিল, আচল কাৰণটো কি। সেইটো আমি গম পোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে, সেইটোৰ তদন্ত চলি আছে, সেইটো ওলাব। ইনিচিয়েল এনকুৱাৰীত সেইটোৱে ওলাইছে। এতিয়া আমি চাই আছোঁ, সিহঁতৰ সুস্থ হ'ব, সিহঁতক সোধ-পোছ কৰিলে পূৰা ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব। এতিয়া সিহঁতে কথা পাতিব পৰা অৱস্থাত নাই।
Meanwhile, several Dimasa organizations released a press statement condemning the incident. The statement also appealed the district administration and police administration for serious investigation and delivers justice to the bereaved family. Subsequently, general public of Langting took out a rally in the town condemning the unfortunate incident and demands for exemplary punishment against those involved. On 13 November, 46 cadres along with its in C. Musrang alias 19 Dimasa of the outfit come overground to join the mainstream and also laid down 3 AK series rifles, 1 M16 and 3 bolt action rifles. The outfit come overground after signing an agreement with the Assam government in presence of CM Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. As per the agreement, the outfit will lay down arms and join the mainstream. They also tend to set a ceasefire camp in Karbi Anglong, Umrangso, Maibang, and one along the Mahasau Kachar district border. The Dimasa National Liberation Army DNLA group announced its formation through a press release on 15 April 2019. The group claimed that it is committed to revamp the national struggle and fight for the liberation of a sovereign independent Dimasa nation. It also stated that the organization is for and to develop a sense of brotherhood among the Dimasa and also to rebuild the trust and faith among the Dimasa society for regaining the Dimasa kingdom. Meanwhile, DNLA-C in C. Musrang Dimasa clarifies that those 6 were picked up from stealing the excavator part. When our boys went to inquire about them, they were in inebriate condition and confronted them back. As both the group are young, such incident might have happened, said Musring.
राजिराव लाइलांगियाबा डिसेम्बर 6 तारिख हा दिमा हासावहा घटना गिदिर जायाबा के राजिरावने ग्रावखे गावरिमा नांजावबा ग्रावखे जाखा लांथिं हाफाय हा एलएनटी मासी दंबा बो एलएनटी बब्रा जाबुखा दिने दिमा साजादिनि खायदारा समाजनि खुशी दांगियाबा बुनि एलएनटी ओदे बो एलएनटी किला इबहातो फाइमान निसे कास्टमार समाय दंबा कास्टमार समाय दादा कास्टमार माइबा संगाली हा बो एलएनटी की नायफैबला मखावराव बुथु शेयर के बेहर हिसाब फाइन जिमा निकले दादा गैस लाइट जंक्रिप जंग राखौथा दा दिंदु ओदेखले दादा लामाय लामाय खले दा खबर लिले दादा पुलिस रावबो सांगिन सांगताम बो मखावराव बुथुके रेममान बो जनलाय नायखा जनलाय बा याहो ना पुलिस राव बो माइया बानी ओलेनिं याहो ना जिंग बो समाजनि खुशी दांगियाबा सुबुंनि प्रोफाइटिव खेला इलि नादिन खलायबा आरो दानां बो मखाव थियाबा बुस्तु दे दिनि एलएनटी खलायदु दाखनासुनि सुबुंखेबो खलायला फुरेबा सुबुंखेबो बायजा फाइनजिला फुरे मखाव थियाबो दे मखावनि दे हाइनथिगिरि मखावनि समाजगिरि मखावनि जादि सिंफंगिरि सिचतारा जिंबो बावबो माइलाखा जिनि दिनि समाजनि खुशी दांगियाबानि एलएनटी के निंगलि खलायदु थिखाला दाखनासुनि आबो ख्रिबनिखे खलायला फुरे सिचतारा मखावखे जिनि सुबुंनि रेममा थिदाबो थांखा माइबो माइखा माइबा समायहा बो मखाव जां ओराहा बुसि मखाव रौथु बावला हौला जाय दंबा थिदु रेमलाय नायखा दलाय नायखा बो एलएनटी राखावसे एबा मेसिन बुदुके बो गैस दुके बो माइथारखा माइथारबा याहो ना बिलि सुबुं माइखा माइबा याहो ना बुसिके स्टेटमेंट हामसि लाहाबाला सेरेगाजा बुसियां इनभल्व दंबा बुसुबुंतुनि बुमु बसाव बियाव बुसि मिथिलायबानि न'सो फुनुलायखा बके रेमखुलाय नायखा ओदैजां आरो गिबिन केबो बुसि जाजों जाजों थिबामा थिला दिनि दिमा हासाव डिस्ट्रिक्टनि सुबुंखिला रिजिं जांबो बुसि बुम गायफुदुमु थिगाबो सेरे ओरा हाकुसि दांबा गाबाबा बुकिसिन बुसिबो बुम गायफाबा ओदैजां बुसिके रेमखुइबा थिगाबो बुसिके रेमखुइबा याहो नाला बुनसिबो थामसि जां थांदादा आनसाराव गाजा दलाय नायखा सुलाय नायखा इबुसिबो बुसिके खानाबालाय क्ला दफिनका थिदा थिदु ओदैजा दा दलाय दादा गो दिनि दामब्रा गामा नांखा बु दामब्रा गायाबान बसावहाबो सेरबा राजिराव सानिबान दथायलायबा उलि निदावया सेरबा जिं सानिबान दथायलायबा निदावया सावचिबो सानि दावया जारजां जा थामसि जां दलाय दानिं दिनि उलि जाबा सावचिनि फान्दाबो दिनि उलाबो बिसारला मासि थिदा बायदा थांबा थियाब्ला मासि खाजाव सियाबा बिसार आरो थिदा बायदा थांदु थिला बथान दिदा एबा गथनाला नारजि दंखो मोसिबो गिदिखा थिखाला जामखा हाबसाव गारलांखा ओदैबानि उलि लाखावसिबो सानियानि दुमु थिखाबो जाजरा जानायखा थिखाबो बिदि खालायमा जिनिबो ओरहा गलति जिनि आनसारावनिबो ओरहा बो मखावरावनिबो गलति ओदैजां इलाबो घटना जाबा ओदैबानि इबो घटना के हावसिबो मिथि
Reporting by Pankaj Timung and Suraj Burman, Boral News.